So your goal today is that you're going to be able to use these order of solving equations to solve equations that have exponents in them. So here we have 3x to the power 2 minus 4 equals 8. We want to solve here. So again, here's the order in which you want to solve. You want to start by finding the addition or subtraction, undoing that, then the multiplication or division, and then finally the exponents of the radicals. Notice that this one doesn't have any parentheses in it, so we kind of ignore that for right now. But okay, we have, let's see if we have an addition or subtraction. We have a subtraction, we have a minus 4. So we're going to undo that first by adding 4. Plus 4 to both sides. Okay, and negative 4 plus 4, right? The whole purpose of undoing is to get rid of it. So I'm left with 3x squared on the left side equals 8 plus 4. Okay, so 8 plus 4, that's 12. Okay, so that's the first thing that we need to look to undo. The next thing we need to look to undo is the multiplication or division. And here we have 3 times x to the power 2, right? It's not written times there, but it's implied. So how do I undo multiplication? Well, with its opposite division. So instead of multiplying by 3, I'm going to divide by 3. So 3 over 3 is 1, gives you x squared. And then 12 over 3 is 4. Okay, so now I have x to the power 2 equals 4. How do I undo exponents? Well, I undo them with radicals. So I'm going to take this to the second power, take this to the second power, square root both sides. And that's going to give me x is equal to 2. So there we have a 3-step equation, right? We added, we divided, we rooted. Let's try another one here. We get 4x squared plus 5 is equal to 41. Again, first thing you want to do is undo the addition or subtraction. So we have a plus 5. We'll start off by minusing 5 from both sides of the equals. Super important that you do it from both sides, right? It's a balancing act. You take from one, you take from the other. That'll leave me 36. Okay, now I need to undo the multiplication. So I'm going to divide by 4. Gives me x squared is equal to 9. Okay, and then last step here, we need to square root, right? Radicals are the way we undo exponents, and I get x is equal to 3. That's how we solve equations that have exponents in them. It just takes an extra step, right? You need to understand that the opposite of an exponent is a radical, but doing so is just as easy as understanding as addition and subtraction are opposites and multiplication and division are opposites. Everything in math has to have an opposite.